a lot of times we just tell people, hand soap and water is one of the best things to wash your limb with. We usually suggest an unscented hand soap. Sometimes the scents have different chemicals and stuff that once you trap it in the silicone liner environment, it's not the best. But it's like Brianna was saying and Cassie, the hygiene is pretty straightforward. If you just keep it clean with even just soap and water, you should be good. But the other important part of that is to make sure that you're keeping your liner clean. So if you clean your residual limb and it's great, but then you haven't washed your liner in a month and a half and you're putting that on again, it's still, or a week even. I'm exaggerating with the month and a half, but if you're not cleaning your liner, then you're trapping the exact same environment on your residual limb every time that you put that on. So it's important to clean both. And hand soap and water work great for both, the liner included. Hand soap and water, wash it out, let it air dry or just pat it dry with a paper towel. And then usually what we suggest too is maybe about once a week doing rubbing alcohol just to make sure that it's clean and sterile. Now we don't recommend the alcohol more often than that necessarily because it can break down the silicone, but that every so often to hit that with just a little bit stronger product to make sure you're killing bacteria and other things so that you're not trapping that against your residual limb.